285 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 20th October. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 20th October, 361 people recovered in the last 24 hours. 6 new deaths reported. Total confirmed cases in the states are 41,031. Total active cases in the state stands at 3,201. Total recovered cases stands at 37,275. Total 555 deaths are reported till 20th October. Goa's recovery rate is 90.84%. Total samples tested till 20th October are 2,84,193. Breakup of total 3,201 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center CSC Bicholim 81, CSC Sake 141, CSC Pernam 84, CSC Valpai 82, Urban Health Center USC Mapsa 168, USC Panji 166, Primary Health Center PSC Aldona 38, PSC Betki 51, PSC Kandolem 100, PSC Kansarvarnam 27, PSC Kolwai 62, PSC Kolem 114, PSC Chembal 221, PSC Sholem 80, PSC Pororem 209, PSC Mayam 37, Travelers by road flight train 2. South Goa Community Health Center CSC Kurchorem 80, CSC Kankona 62, Urban Health Center USC Markau 312, USC Vasco 173, Primary Health Center PSC Pali 43, PSC Kansaulim 64, PSC Chinchenem 14, PSC Kortalim 127, PSC Kurtorem 89, PSC Lutolim 71, PSC Marsaim 37, PSC Kapam 77, PSC Sangam 39, PSC Shiroda 41, PSC Darbandara 42, PSC Ponda 203, PSC Navelim 64. Bed capacity in COVID care center as on 20th October are as follows. District North total capacity 469, current vacancy 316. District South total capacity 1006, current vacancy 769. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.